Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Sharma and I'm a practitioner of healing, energy healing, and I'm a practitioner of meditation, yoga for almost more than 13 years. In this video, I would like to talk about the power of spoken words, and to demonstrate the power of the spoken words, I am starting a series of sessions where I will guide a very simple affirmation, you can say, or a program where we will try to heal day-to-day ailments, or you can say sickness. In my personal setting or in one-to-one setting, I have healed hundreds of cases, but due to this time of pandemic, you can say, people are now a little afraid to go out of their houses. So I thought, why not use this opportunity and use social media to reach out to people who are undergoing some or the other kind of physical ailments, and would share an awareness about how powerful our words, spoken words are. So spoken words have the power to heal or the power to hurt. We all know this. Like if you are in deep emotional pain and somebody comforts you by saying certain good words, you feel better, right? So words are not just bunch of letters. With words, certain kind of energies are transmitted from one person to another person. So I want to create an awareness which will help us choose the correct words consciously into our life, which will bring greater health and wellness into our lives. So in this series, in this first video, I am going to work on simple pain or aches. Now, how does this work? Many of you may have seen the affirmations on the internet. There are many affirmations, healing affirmations, and so on. But this will be something where I will work with you directly in whatever issues you will have. So there are certain guidelines to be followed. One of the first guidelines is that you keep an open and receptive mind. Now, why am I saying to keep you an open and receptive mind? Just to understand how does this work, think of a situation where you got a call from your, say, wife or your mother or any friend, and they asked you to do something. In spite of whatever authority they have on your life, you always have the power to say no to them, or power to reject their request. Is it correct? You can mentally or verbally say that no, I am not available, I don't want it, I am not interested in this, and so on. So in spite of whatever instruction comes to you, you may at certain times say yes to something, but at certain times you can say no. So your ability to accept an idea or a certain kind of energy depends on your internal state. So what I only want you to follow is just keep open and receptive mind, experience the healing, and because the pain of one person varies from another person, so I will not guarantee that every one of you will get 100% results or some results. Maybe you will get some result in the first session, maybe you will get some result after a few sessions. So for that, I would request you that once you hear this audio, maybe if your pain is very chronic and you don't feel immediate difference, do not come to a conclusion. So just like a scientific process, there are series of experimentations to be done. So in this case, I want you to listen to the audio. Just fast forward to the part when I will start sharing the words of power to you, or giving your body certain instructions. Just go to that part and along with the music, follow the instructions and try it. And then after you have tried it maybe say 5 times or 10 times, then you are good to make your own conclusions about it. So, I'm not imposing that you make the conclusion I am giving you, and I'm not giving you any conclusions. You may have some difference in your pain. All my point is that I want to prove that words are powerful and they keep the power to heal and to hurt both. Our objective here is to heal. If you benefit from the healing, then please write to us in the email address given below in the description or in the comment section. With these efforts of mine, if I am able to help you relieve even 10% of your pain or 20% of your pain, I will feel happy, and I would feel that I would have done some contribution to your life. That way you will also be able to learn the importance of speaking the right words, and why sometimes our life is happy or unhappy. It is all connected to what we think and what we speak. So let's get started. Are you ready? I want you to find a very comfortable couch or bed where you can lie down or sit down comfortably, whatever is comfortable to you. Put on the headphones, that is recommended. Now listen to the music. Concentrate on the music. Concentrate on my voice and your breathing. Let's center ourselves first. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale slowly. Smile. It's very important that before we proceed to the part of the healing, we center our mind. This can be done just simply by being aware of your breathing and on the music. Now just listen to my voice. I want you to first be aware of the area where you have pain or discomfort. Just move your attention or your consciousness to where the pain or discomfort is. It can be in your head, it can be in your shoulders, your back, it can be in your spine, in your legs, any part, wherever you have any ache or pain. Just concentrate on that spot. Be aware of the breathing and listen to this. By the power that resides within all of us, which comes from God or the universe, and by the power of spoken words, I decree, may all your pain be completely healed. Your pain is completely gone. It is released. It is becoming lighter and lighter. All the tension or stress around in the affected area of your body is now released. All the pain is gone. It is healed. It is healed. It is healed. Just be aware of that spot. Inhale slowly. As you exhale, feel that part becoming lighter. Again, inhale. As you exhale, you say thank you to the universe. Now you can be belonging to different faiths or religion. In spite of your religion, just think of the greatest power you know of, or the prophets or the saints you know of, and give them thank for the healing. Just be grateful to the universe. Now I want you to visualize that the rays of light, brilliant, beautiful light, are coming out from the pores of your skin from the affected area. Now wherever that part is, just gently, do not over concentrate, just gently visualize light is radiating out of that part and that part has become very, very light. Smile at that part. It is saying thank you to you for helping it get better. Now from this pain spot, if there is any other painful spot, you can move on to that part, reverse my video to where I started and use it again. Now with a lot of gratitude in your heart for the healing, to the universe and to God, very slowly, gently bring your awareness to your whole body. Slowly move your arms, move your fingers, move your feet, and slowly open your eyes. Now I want you to take time, maybe move your fingers, your feet. Just try to move that part of your body which was in pain and check how much is the difference of before and after. As I said again, it may differ from person to person because of the age and the intensity and the chronicness of the pain. But if you feel there is a certain amount of difference, please write in the comment section how much are you relieved and in how many sittings you feel better. Or else you can write to us in the email given in the description. Hope you like this video, and in the coming series, our second video will be on healing of stress. So stay tuned and enjoy the experience. You can also subscribe and share the video to your friends and your family, those who are under any pain, any kind of pain. So thank you so much, and namaste. This is Abhishek signing off.